Here is my JellyJelly price prediction right now because the market is going crazy. We just had an insane amount of longs closed. We were stuck at the highest amount of longs ever for JellyJelly, and 31 mil worth of longs was just closed in the last 30 minutes. And I'm almost at take profit. As you can see, my first take profit will be hit very soon. I've been DCAing into this trade for a while. I'll be up. I'm actually up now, but I need to take profit, a lot of profit at around this area. I'll move it for a retest. This was a very dangerous play, by the way, in any shape or form, but it paid out now that we're rewinding the chart. There's a few things that I want to talk about when it comes to JellyJelly. First of all, we liquidated a lot of longs, 140k longs, 137k longs with this week right here. And we have more, 35.66 is where a lot of other longs are, 30.56. So basically right here we have a number of longs. So I'm actually interested in potentially taking profit from here. So I'll mark the level right here on the chart, the level I'll be taking profits at. And overall though, RSI money flow is super high. 90 money flow is always not looking good. So my longer term price prediction would also be bearish. So short term bearish, long term bearish. That's my price prediction for Jelly. This is where I put my money. I put my money where my mouth is. If you're wondering how I'm making money from meme coins and other stuff, you use the link in the description down below for my course. I made it super cheap, and for my Signal chat. I'm also switching to BloFin. They're giving away $30 of bonuses. You can sign up. You just got to deposit 50 bucks. You can get 30 bucks on top. That's 60% just like that. Make the switch. This video is no financial advice. I'll hit you up with another Jelly video tomorrow. See you then. Bye.